San friends, today we have new topic and that is use of was and were. Okay, so one thing I'll tell you definitely in your mind is also going where we have to use and what is this and was and what is were. So it's nothing. It's all about your physical past thing which is without action were. Okay. If I'll talk about where we what is used and where we have to use this, then I have already mentioned you there is no need to worry about that key where we use and where we use were. Okay. So first thing is we have to use was with that subject which is singular. Okay. If I talk about I can say I, he, she, it, this, that, or any singular name. Okay. So with this subject we have to use was, and the second side is use of were. So use of were used with the plural thing like we, you, they, this, those, or any plural name. Means if your subject is single, then you will use was, and if your subject more than one, then you will use were. There is no need to think, yeah, in the second side is two name. No need to think about that. This you have to think only one thing is if your subject is more than one, then you will use were for past. Okay, but you have to keep one thing in your mind. There is no need of action were. Okay, so let's think, learn where we have to use was or were. It's also looking like where we have to use is MR. So I would say if you're not watching the first lecture, then you should also watch that and then after you should come here. So first thing is the past physical status means what? Whatever we have to express about anything but in the past form without any action verb, then that time we use was or were for that man. If I'll say I was not a good student, so I'm talking about myself. I was not a good student. If I talk about yourself, you were a good student in your class. So right now I don't know you are or not, but you were. Okay. So whenever you have to express your past activity without any action verb, I can say past status, past condition, not activity. Okay, so past status, past condition, then that time you will use was or were according to sentence. And there is one example that is you were not a good lawyer. Someone is saying about any particular person, and that is what you were not a good lawyer. But right now, maybe he is or not, but in the past days he was not. And the second example was he was my friend since childhood, but he's not friend. Means what? He was friend. Condition of that person, he was friend since childhood, but right now he's not. Means in both example is expressing only one thing, and that is the past condition, past status without action verb. Okay. So it was all about past physical status, and now I'm going to cover about past mental status. Okay, so it's also very simple like physical status, but you have to keep one thing, and that is here we will cover only feelings. Okay, only feelings like I can say like yeah, last day I was very happy. Okay, but right now I don't know. I'm also happy, but if, for example, if I'll say last day I was happy, last day she was not good. Okay, so when we have to express about the past mental status without any action verb, okay, then we will use was or were for that sentence. So there is one example, and that is he was angry because of you. So tell me one thing. This example is suitable for mental status. If this is suitable, then you should say yes in comment box, and if it is wrong, then you should say one thing where it is wrong. This is task of your. Okay, it's task of your. And the second example is they were sad due to your behavior. Means sad means what? Sad means all about someone is talking about the mental status of that person who is going to sad because of someone. Okay, so when one thing you keep in your mind, and that is while expressing your what past mental status without any action verb, then you will have to use was or were. Okay, and you know very well where you have to use was with a with a singular subject, and past with a plural subject. Okay, and the last one is the past quality status. Means what? If I talk about quality, means for example, I can say you were a good doctor. I don't know. You were a good doctor, but right now you are or not. You know very well. I'm sharing about what your physical, your past quality status. Okay. So when there is one line, and that is whenever we have to express about past quality status without any action verb, there is no action. You were a good doctor. There is no action. You were a good student. There is no action. They were a good teachers. There is no action. Action means what? There is no work. Okay. There is no There is no work. If there is no work, then we will use for past was or were. Okay. So there is one example. He was a laborious leader, but right now he's not. You can add here, but right now he's not. Means what? Someone is saying about any particular person ki he was a laborious leader, but right now he is not. Okay. And the second example is they were a good speakers. So they were a good speakers, but right now, you know very well, he is or not. Okay. So it's all about our condition where we have to use where we have to use was or were. And now I'm going to cover the sentence part of this related to this topic. Then first one is negative sentence. Negative sentence means what? We will have to use not in sentence. There is one structure, and that is subject plus was or were. Definitely we will use not, so not and object. If I give one example, and that is they were not a selfish voice. They were not a selfish voice. Means what? Here is not. Okay. Means वे लोग सेल्फी लड़के नहीं थे. Okay. And if I'll talk about the interrogative sentence, definitely interrogative sentence where we will use when we have to ask someone to something, there is need to ask, there is need to share, then that time we have to use interrogative sentence. So first we have to focus on a structure, then that is was or were plus subject and object and question mark. Okay. So there is one example. Was she busy today? Means what? क्या वो आज बिजी थी? क्या वो आज व्यस्त थी? So whenever we have here someone is asking to someone. यहाँ पर कोई किसी से पूछ रहा है कि क्या वो आज बिजी थी? तो ऐसे सेंटेंस के लिए हम लोग इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस का प्रयोग करेंगे. और वो एक एक बात हमेशा अपने माइंड में रखनी है कि जब भी हम लोग इंट्रोगेटिव का प्रयोग करेंगे तो वॉज वर का प्रयोग सब्जेक्ट के पहले. सब्जेक्ट वही होगा जो आपको मैंने पहले बताया था. ही सी इट सिंगुलर नेम और प्लुरल नेम वी यू दे दिस दोज लाइक दिस. तो उसको सब्जेक्ट के पहले रखना है, एंड देन आफ्टर जो सेंटेंस जैसा है उसको बना देना है, उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट कर देना है. जैसे यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ तो क्या था कि वॉज वर सब्जेक्ट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड वन एग्जाम्पल इज व्हाट? Was she busy today? Then we do only one thing. Was we use first of before the subject, and then after sentence is totally complete. Okay. And the second example is the were teachers good. Someone is asking to someone ki teachers were good or not. Okay. And then one is the negative interrogative sentence. There is no need to worry because there we have to use only not in interrogative sentence. Okay. So one example is here. Were they not good student? If I talk about anyone like why were you not sad? If someone is going to cry in front of you, then definitely people will ask why were you not sad? If you're laughing at that moment, then definitely it's the right moment to raising this question. And one is the WS sentence, and I will cover both section in WS sentence. First one is the negative, okay, affirmative, and the second one is negative. You have to do only one thing. Negative, in negative sentence you include not, and in affirmative sentence there is no need to not. Okay. So in WH word, like one example is when were you a good boy? कोई किसी से पूछ रहा है कि तुम अच्छे लड़के कब थे? बहुत बने फिरते हैं, बोलते हैं मैं अच्छा लड़का हूँ. When were you a good boy? Okay. Second example is, when was she not busy today? Someone is arguing with that for that girl कि वो आज busy कब नहीं थी. Why are you arguing that girl on that girl? Okay. So whenever you have to express what your past physical status, mental status, or quality without any action verb, then you will use was or were. Okay. Thanks for watching this lecture, and you should use